Thunderclaps reverberate through the heavens with a distinctive and unforgettable roar. But have you ever wondered what creates this awe-inspiring sound? Contrary to popular belief, it's not the collision of clouds. Instead, thunder is a consequence of lightning's rapid heating and expansion of the surrounding air. As lightning strikes the ground or another object, it releases an immense amount of energy in the form of an electrical current. This current travels through the air, superheating it to temperatures of up to 30,000 degrees Celsius. The sudden expansion of this superheated air creates a shock wave that propagates outward as sound, reaching our ears as an explosive clap. The intensity of thunder is determined by several factors. The closer you are to the lightning strike, the louder the thunder you will hear. Additionally, the type of terrain can amplify or muffle the sound. Mountains and valleys can reflect and redirect thunderclaps, creating prolonged reverberations or distant echoes. Furthermore, the shape of the lightning bolt influences the sound of thunder. A long, forked bolt will produce a longer, more sustained thunderclap than a short, straight bolt. This is because the longer the electrical current's path, the greater the volume of air it will superheat and expand. Thunder is not only a fascinating phenomenon, but also an important one. It provides a warning of approaching storms and can help animals seek shelter or adjust their behavior. By understanding the science behind thunder, we can appreciate its unique and powerful nature.